Little storyteller.
Lily and Leo, twins with bright smiles and even brighter ideas, held a whirring rock. It wasn't just any rock. It was their special smoothie maker. Today their time machine, shaped like a giant ladybug, had zoomed them to a land with furry cavemen who lived in cozy rock homes. The sun shone on green trees and a sparkling river nearby. A friendly caveman with a big bushy beard and a fuzzy animal skin looked curiously at Lily and Leo. He held a big bumpy club, but his eyes were kind. Lily held out a cup of red berry juice. "Hello," she chirped. "Want to try a yummy berry drink?" The caveman sniffed the juice. Then Leo poured some crunchy crushed ice into the whirring rock. The rock spun fast, making a funny whoosh whoosh sound. The caveman's eyes widened, not at the juice, but at the spinning rock. He giggled, pointing at it. "Wee! Funny rock dance." More cavemen, with their own unique furry outfits, gathered around. They weren't interested in the red juice or the crushed ice. All eyes were on the whirring rock. One cave woman, with flowers in her hair, poked it gently with her finger. Another caveman, with a playful grin, tried to copy its spinning with his hand, making silly swirling motions. Lily and Leo looked at each other and smiled. They might not be smoothie fans yet, but the cavemen sure loved their whirring rock. Leo carefully poured the berry juice over the crushed ice in the spinning rock. It made a beautiful red swirl. He offered the cup to the first caveman. "Look, now the funny rock makes a yummy drink." The caveman tasted the smoothie. His eyes lit up. He took a big gulp and smiled, his bushy beard turning a little bit red. The other cavemen watched eagerly. Soon everyone wanted to try the funny rock's yummy drink. Lily and Leo laughed as they made more smoothies, the whirring rock their new favorite toy to share. It was fun to try new things together, even if you liked different parts of the same thing.
Please subscribe. Thank you.